Good morning to all of you. So far we have discussed in this exercise till question number 4. So today we will discuss from question number 5 onwards. So suppose I have written two questions. First is 5 minus 3x is less than equal to x minus 15. So I will transfer this x here, it becomes minus x, and this 5 will come here, it becomes minus 5. So it will be minus 4x less than equal to minus 20. Now when you transfer this minus 4 here, so what I have told you when we started this chapter, if you multiply or divide by a negative sign, the inequality sign is going to reverse. So it minus 4 comes here, so this less than equal to sign becomes now greater than equal to. So it will give you x greater than equal to 5. So all the whole numbers which are greater than 5 including 5 are 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly in this question, again we will solve it like this. We have solved the first part. So 3x will come here, 4x minus 3x because it is plus. And 3 will go there, so it becomes minus 3. So 4x minus 3x will give you x, minus 1 minus 3 will give you minus 4. Then what will be the value of x? All the integers greater than minus 4 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, as well as the positive integers. So whenever you write a solution set of like this, you should write few positive integers like I have written 1 and 2. Okay. So we are solving the inequalities like we were solving the linear equations, except we have to keep in mind this thing: on division or multiplication of a negative number, the sign of this inequality should be changed. Okay, then see question number 3. It is minus 3x x plus 1 greater than 6. So I am going to multiply it inside. It will be minus 3x square minus 3x greater than 6. Or what more I can do, I will divide this minus 3 in right hand side. So what I am doing, I am dividing it by minus 3. Therefore this inequality should change like this. So it will be x square plus x less than minus 2. Okay, now I will bring this 2 here. So it will becomes x square plus x plus 2 less than 0. See, what I am going to do, I am going to make it a perfect square. So like a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So I am going to make it like this. I will use this identity: a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so my a will be x into 2 into a. A is x, and since it is only x, so what I am going to do, I am going to divide it by 1 by 2. Okay, so when you see it is 2 and 2 will cancel, so it will be x only. Now this is my x, this is my a, and this becomes my b. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means half square. So I have added this extra quantity here, half square, so I have to subtract it also. Minus half square plus 2 less than 0. Now see this, only this much. So what it becomes? It becomes x plus 1 by 2 so we can write it as like this, x plus 1 by 2 whole square, and this when you solve it will give you 2 minus 1 by 4 less than 0. So when you solve it you will get finally x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus we will take the LCM here, it will be 8 minus 1 less than 0. So now I am going to write it like this, minus 7 by 8 plus x plus 1 by 2 whole square less than 0. Okay, now if you see very carefully, this is a positive number, and what we know about the square, this is also a positive number. So when you add two positive numbers, if you add two positive numbers, then it can never be less than 0. Is it? This is a positive number and this is a positive number. Because a square, a number having the even power is always positive. And what we have to satisfy, it should be less than 0. So two positive numbers when added together, they cannot be less than 0. So we can say here x, what was the replacement set? X belongs to integer, but it can never be negative. So it will be my final answer. It will be the null set. Okay, so one more time I am explaining it. I will take minus 3 here. It becomes minus 2. So it is x square plus x. This sign of inequality changes from here to here. It minus 2. Now what I am doing here, I am trying to make it a perfect square. And how I can use this identity a plus b whole square. It will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So for this, x will be my a and b is 1 by 2. So I have written a square means x square plus 2 into a is x. So this 2 is extra, so I have multiplied by half. So this 2 and 2 will cancel, it will remain as x. Now this half becomes b for this expansion plus half square. Now this I have written half square and it is an extra term, so I have subtracted by half square also. Now in this expression, this whole I have written as x plus half whole square, and this we have solved like 2 minus 1 by 4. After solving, I got this expression, and this is a positive number, this is a positive number, and two positive numbers cannot be added together to give a negative number. That means the solution set is x is equals to null set. Okay, note it. Then let's see one more question. 3x by 2 minus 1 greater than equal to x by 2 plus 4 where x belongs to natural number. So same method we will do. We will bring all the variables on left hand side and all the constants on right hand side. So 3x minus x greater than equal to 5. So it will be 2x upon 2 greater than equal to 5, and 2 and 2 will cancel. So x should be greater than equal to 5. So all the natural numbers greater than and equal to 5, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Then suppose it is like this, as then 3x plus 4 where x belongs to integer. So it will be 7x plus 14 less than 3x plus 4. So 3x minus 7x minus 3x less than 4 minus 14. 4x less than minus 10. X less than minus 10 upon 4. Okay, now you can see that 10 is not divisible by 4. So I am going to write its decimal value. It will be minus 2.5. Now, what is our replacement set? X belongs to all the integers. So when I write the solution, all the integers less than minus 2.5. Okay, minus 2.5 is not an integer, but the first integer that will be less than minus 2.5 will be how much? Minus 3. Okay, don't write minus 2 because minus 2 is greater than minus 2.5. So it will be minus 3. Minus 4, minus 5 is like this. Okay, so in the questions like this, whenever the numerator is not divisible by denominator, you take out the value in decimals. Then according to the given condition, like here it was given x belongs to all integers. So all the integers less than minus 2.5, that means minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, don't take minus 2 because minus 2 will be greater than minus 2.5. Okay, note these solutions. Now we will see question number 6. So question number 6 says a inequality is there, 3 into x minus 2 greater than equal to 2 into x plus 3, 2 into x minus 3, 2 into x minus 3 plus 4. Now in this, instead of giving the sets like x belongs to an integer or whole number, a replacement set is given, that is x is such that x belongs to integers and the values are from minus 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 7. So this is my replacement set. So first I will write the values of replacement set. It will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now this will be my set from which I will pick up the solutions of this inequality. So let's solve it. 3x, 3 into 2 minus 6 greater than 2x, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 4. So that will be 3x minus 2x greater than equal to minus 6 plus 6 plus 4. These two cancel, you will get x greater than equal to 4. Now when you take the intersection of the values from here and here, what you will get? All the values greater than equal to 4 means 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in these type of questions, you first write the elements of the replacement set. Then whatever solution you are getting, you take the intersection of this solution as well as this solution set. Okay, so we have to take only these values. So our answer will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so in question number 7, this is our inequality and this is our replacement set like we have done in the previous question. So first of all, we will solve this inequality. So 1 by 4 minus x equal to, not equal to, less than. We will take 3 by 2 inside. So 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 x. Then this 1 by 4 will go there and it will come here. So it will be 3x by 2 less than 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Next, as usual, we will take the LCM. 3x less than, here also we will take the LCM. 6 minus 1. So it becomes x upon 2 less than 5 upon 4. Okay. Now see, this 2 will come here. So it will give you x less than 5 upon 4 into 2. So that means all the values less than 5 by 2. Okay, now we have to choose all the values which are less than 5 by 2. So what will be our answer? See, we will check one by one. So minus 2 is less than 5 by 2. Then 2 is greater than 5 by 2. Then 3 and half it is. So if you want to write, you can write it like also 2 and half. So minus 1 is again. Then it is 2 and half. So you cannot take. Now it is 2, 3 by 4 and we know that 3 by 4 is more than 3 and half. Then 3.5 we cannot take. Then minus 2 and half, one more solution we got. Then 9 by 2 is approximately 4.5, so this we cannot take. Then again 2 and half is there, so we will not take 2 and half. Okay, this is 2 1 by 3, not 2 and half, 2 whole 1 by 3. And so this value, this is one more value we can take, 2 whole 1 by 3. And this is again greater than 2 and half, so we cannot take it. So this will be our answer. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 and half, 2 1 by 3. So after solving the inequality, we got the value x less than 5 by 2 or x less than 2 and half, and then we will take the intersection of these two sets. So we will get these value. You can check it one by one, and all the values which are less than 5 by 2 or less than 2 and half, or you can write if you want, or we can write x less than 2.5 also. So the values which are satisfying these conditions, we will take only those values: -2, -1, then -2.5, then 2 whole 1 by 3. Only these values are there in our solution. Okay, note the solution. Then let's see the last question of this exercise. Question number 10. A lily plant is fixed in a pond such that its 1/4 is in the mud, 2/3 is in water, and portion of the plant above water is greater than or equal to 1/4 of a meter. Find the length of the shortest lily plant. So I will write, let length of lily plant is equal to x. So portion in mud is 1/4, that means x by 4. Portion in water is 2/3, that is 2x by 3. And remaining portion is above the water. So portion above water means remaining portion, that is x minus x by 4 plus 2x by 3. Okay, so let's solve it a little bit. X minus x by 4 minus 2x by 3. So we will, from here we will get the portion which is above the water. We will take the LCM. LCM will be 12. So it is 12x minus 3x minus 8x, that is x by 12. So this portion is above the water. Okay, now what is condition is given? Is greater than or equal to, that means x by 12 is greater than or equal to 1/4 of a meter, that means 1 by 4 into 1 meter. It is given. So when I take x there, when I take 12 there, it will be 12 by 4, that is 3. So x should be greater than or equal to 3. So the length of the lily plant should be greater than or equal to 3. So what will be the shortest length possible? So shortest length is equal to 3 meter. Okay, so all the values which are greater than or equal to 3 should be used, but we have to find the length of shortest lily plant. The shortest length will be 3 meter. Okay, so this is the end of this exercise and this chapter. Thank you.